Sound smarter, say less. Most advanced speakers sound intelligent not because of big words. Instead, they use 3 simple techniques. Number 1, precision over complexity. Instead of saying, "This is a very bad situation," say, "This is untenable." One word, clear and powerful. Number 2, pause before you answer. A 2-second pause before answering sounds like you're actually thinking about your answer, because you are. Number 3, hedge with confidence. Don't say, "I think maybe." Say, "My understanding is." Same idea, completely different impression. Remember, precision, pause, and confident hedging. That's it.